Proper Comedians, the show for old-school joke-telling stand-ups, will return for a second series after proving an instant hit with viewers. Dubbed the antidote to cancel culture, the first series starred veteran comics like Mick Miller and Jimmy Jones and was launched by Jim Davidson's comedy streaming channel Ustreme in December. Spokeswoman Victoria Nash said, "It became one of our most popular shows, and the feedback from viewers has been overwhelmingly positive. They say it's a joy to see humor like it used to be, funny." Impressionist and comedian Bobby Davro said, "In these grim days we need laughter and warmth, and people know they can trust old-school comedians to deliver. That's why it's so popular." Davro, 64, once the face of Saturday night TV entertainment, will be joining Jimmy Jones, impressionist Mike Osmond and 80s TV star Duncan Norvell for the new series, along with younger comics Jerry Kay, John Maloney and Ricky Lane. Jim Davidson, 69, who is appearing on the bill for the first time, says the show revived the spirit of old ITV hit The Comedians and brings a host of comedy legends together on one stage. "It's the antidote to cancel culture." Essex-born Jerry Kay, a veteran of the comedy club circuit for 20 years, said, "I'm a comedian and I welcome any opportunity to get out and make people laugh. I'm also a black Englishman, and so I understand that some of the things Jim Davidson has said might have divided opinion. But there are lots of comedians I work with who talk about subjects I possibly wouldn't, or say things I don't necessarily agree with. It's not our job as comedians to censor other comedians, and it doesn't mean that we can't all get on with each other and go out there to make people laugh. I'm really looking forward to being involved." The first series of the show was filmed in front of 1,000 people over two sold-out two nights at the Gaiety Bar in Southsea, Hampshire, in November, as exclusively covered by the Sunday Express. It will return to the same venue on Wednesday, May 17 and Thursday, May 18. Ustreme is also bringing back their critically acclaimed Left, Right and Center panel show, billed as Question Time with jokes and laughs. The series, named Panel Show of 2022 by the Daily Star, will once again be filmed in front of live audiences at the Tivoli Theatre, in Wimborne, Dorset, before being streamed exclusively on Ustreme. Each show features a panel of 6 comedians from across the political spectrum debating issues raised by the audience and Ustreme viewers. Panelists include Bobby Davro, Danny Posthill, Michael Hackett, Cara Snelms, and John Maloney, with the show hosted by comedian Miles Crawford. Jim Davidson said, "We had a fantastic time filming the last series. It's basically a bunch of comedians with very different political views discussing and debating a range of topics thrown to them by the audience and Ustreme members. Our panelists certainly don't always agree, and that's the point. It's also very funny to watch. The show went down a storm last time and we can't wait to be back at the beautiful Tivoli Theatre to film the second series. We don't hold back though once we start putting the world to rights, so if you're easily offended, it's probably best not to buy a ticket. Tickets for Proper Comedians cost £27, £128 for a table of 4, £192 for a table of 6 or £256 for a table of 8. Visit to book tickets for May 17th. Visit to book tickets for May 18th. Tickets for Left, Right and Center are on sale now here.